In welding, you know, I'm going down to the assessment on the second row, not how many students remain, but assessments. Guess that is too, number of students remaining in the course on
Right.
both of those. Isn't there one though that where we actually say what the assessments are?
Uh, if there's an assessment type, and that's the page previous to this,
Right.
which will say the assessment type, the
Mhm.
weighted, the weight of each assessment, and the number of assessments for each. Week.
Right. As Brad and I designed this online aspect to our course, which we haven't had before, I think it'll be much better academically for the students in the long run. But still, all in all, in our discipline of welding, the assessments are, I mean, we have a definite pattern of assessments we go, but it's hard to say. They're not broken down to like, if you haven't met this at week 3, well, you're out. Everybody works at their different pace. So it's hard for me to really say what's happening at week 3. Could have happened, week 3's assessment could have happened for 5 of them.
So can I rephrase that to make sure I know what you're saying, Bob?
Okay. Yes.
Because I think I do. I just want to make sure.
Yeah.
You're saying let's use week 3, and let's say in week 3 you're giving a test. You're saying that not everyone takes that test in week 3. Some people may take it in week 5. Or am I?
No. Well, as far as the hands-on welding part goes, okay. Everybody, let's say I've got 25 welders. Here's your first assignment, 25 welders. 3 of them might get it the very next day. 10 might get it in another week. 3 weeks out, there might be 2 that still can't figure it out for the life of them. So everything's an individual case.
So they're going at their own pace.
Absolutely.
Okay.
And there's just no other way, or we'd go, well, you're out, you're out, you're out.
And you guys are moving to managed enrollment, so are you still going to be handling your class that way, or with managed enrollment?
I just don't see any other way, because it would be like, okay, 25 physical education students, your first goal is to do 100 push-ups in a row.
Right.
Might get 2 of them do it that day.
Right. So you're really talking about the hands-on competencies
That's what I'm talking about. So.
Do you do any testing in the course as well?
Yes.
Okay,
Yeah.
so maybe for your assessments, you use the actual testing that you're doing, because you would have that on more of a schedule, correct, or no?
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
So maybe just use that.
And as we go online, the testing is going to be much more formal and stuff too.
Sure, because we also do checklists in healthcare, and you're right, not everyone gets it the first time, and we're constantly going back. But the the testing, we have it pretty, like, it happens on certain days. So maybe focus on that.
But I mean, as far as vocational training, just everybody gets it at a different. Yes. That would really blow my mind if everyone came back at the same day and said, hey, we're all done with our, wow, how'd that work?
Yeah, no, that makes sense. I see what you're saying. So okay. I would put the more formalized ones in, and let's track those then.
Okay.